That's the car nice and clean. Let's go and see what Lisa's doing. Do a little surprise. What you on with?
Put some stuff away. What's up?
You need to get yourself ready.
What for?
Because we're going for something to eat. We're going for a Valentine's treat.
It's Sunday.
So we're going to do it early. We're busy on Tuesday, aren't we? So
Yeah. Oh, really? Cool.
in my car.
Really? Okay.
So we better get ready, aren't we?
Yeah, alright then. Ta-da! Let's get going.
Let's get some food.
Oh, God. Food. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Come on then.
I'll get in the car.
Oh, we're going in your car?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a bit of a squeeze.
I'm alright, I've got a heated seat at the front.
But I'm in. Oh, God. I don't think you've seen this car before, have you? This is Mark's Twizy. I'm not very keen, but he seems to like it.
Alright, and it's just for short trips. Costs about £1.20 to charge up and you get about 40-50 mile range. The two of us in probably about 40. Got Lamborghini doors as well.
Lamborghini doors? I wish it was a Lamborghini.
Put my seatbelt on.
That's a good idea, isn't it?
I mean, it's got seatbelts, got airbag, everything, hasn't it? Makes a change for using the motorhome.
It's a bit smaller than the motorhome, isn't it?
Fine. Arrived, Lisa.
It's nice.
It's fancy, isn't it? The car park down there, you could probably stealth camp there, couldn't you? What's it called? Fix.
Hire trap.
And fix it.
Get in there.
Yeah, so it's a big hotel complex, isn't it? Right near Pendle Hill.
Yeah, just for weddings, really, isn't it? They do
Yeah.
a lot of weddings here. We'll show you around.
Well, because of this time of year, it's probably quiet, isn't it? So we get.
Yeah.
Got us here, hasn't it?
Yeah.
For about 20 pence.
20 pence.
Look at that.
You don't have to get some strange looks in that thing, do
Oh,
you?
you get a lot of looks in that. We're going to get some Normas on tour stuff on it. I've had it for
No, we're not.
nearly 2 years, that. I'd love to carry it behind the camper. That'd be brilliant, that, wouldn't it? But it needs a trailer.
This is the hire trap where he's brought me.
Smell food, can't you?
Oh, can it smells gorgeous.
Making me hungry.
Let's go and see what we can find. Oh, this is a bit nice, Mark, isn't it? Where have you brought me?
Very posh, isn't it?
Yeah.
Wait until you find out how much it's cost me, all this lot.
Go on then, show me where we're going.
There was something at motorhome.
This man is unbelievable, so he's just come to take the order. Knew what he wanted, dinner. No. What did you go for?
Chicken tikka.
No, you didn't.
Fish and chips with mushy peas and tartare sauce.
Gobsmacked.
And you've
Yeah,
got
so we-
calamari, haven't you?
Yeah, so we've come all this way to a nice posh restaurant and he's still gone for the fish and chips. And what did you ask for that?
I asked if there's anything oriental, Chinese or anything on the menu, but we did a sticky chicken, didn't we, as a starter. But comes with salad.
Someone help me, please. So I've gone for the calamari, as you can see. Lush.
Cauliflower wings with sauce and some green stuff.
Div.
Like a cut sauce again. Like a sweet chilli.
Is it?
What's that, tartar? Looks like that.
It's a bit oriental, isn't it, with a sticky... What kind of sauce is that?
That's sweet chilli.
Mains are here. Here's my beef. Very nice.
Very fancy, isn't it?
And Mark's on his typical fish and chips.
And we're going to get these eaten and then get us desserts.
This is amazing.
Mine's really good as well. The
Oh
batter is really nice. So.
The beef's just falling apart. Beautiful. Really, I think that's one of the best roast dinners I've had in a long time.
Yeah, not tough, is it?
No. It's not a roast dinner. Braised blade of beef, they called it, but it's a roast dinner to me.
Right, it will, yeah. Roasted,
Yeah. Really good, guys. Really good.
And the sauce, the tartar sauce, is homemade, isn't it? Oh.
Only Mark can get giddy about homemade tartar sauce.
Good. Really good.
You might have some room for pudding.
Yeah, hopefully.
Sticky toffee pudding. And chocolate tart.
And fruit on top.
Fruit and salad in one day. You can have a funny do, you? So he's not let me down. I'm there thinking it's going to cost a fortune. I'm smiling because it was a beautiful meal and a beautiful bill. He's actually got a deal on, it's on from Sunday to Thursday, and it was 2 courses, so a starter and a main, for 2 people. Guess how much? £25. Now you've just seen what we've had to eat, and that was like, well, if Michelin star was here, I'd think that's what
really
it would
good,
be.
wasn't it? Cauliflower
It was
things,
beautiful, yeah. So the puddings weren't included, they were £4 each, again a bargain, and then your drinks on top. So we've paid everything, haven't we? So absolute bargain. Well done, you.
But we do also here, if you're interested in coming to visit the hire trap, the views are all the way around. I mean, in the summer it's as nice again, but for £139 per stay or per night, we do an all-inclusive where you get your bed, your breakfast, evening meal, and then there's a bar 6 till 11, which obviously means you've got your drinks included as well.
How much is that?
£139.
Hey, that's ridiculous.
Give them a call. The details will be in the description below. Give them a call if you're interested in that, if you've got any more questions. But for that, it's
a bargain.
Yeah. Some nice part of the country here as well, isn't it? Just down from Pendle Hill.
Yeah. It's an ideal place for weddings, isn't it, really?
It's used, isn't it, for weddings? You get a lot of people getting married here, don't you?
What's that? It's that some kind of waterfall or something, doesn't it?
Feature, and it's switched off for winter.
Yeah.
What's digging out?
No fishes in there, is there?
Yeah. But yeah, it's used for weddings, isn't it? Quite a lot.
Yeah, there's a lovely setting this for a wedding. Really, really nice. But look at the outside of it here. We probably can't give it justice because we're a bit too close, aren't we?
Yeah.
So there's your gardens. We'll go down and have a look. Then we can get a proper picture of the building behind us. Can you imagine on a summer's evening in here with all your friends and...
It gets really busy in summer, don't you? Doesn't it? It gets really busy in summer.
Yeah, you won't get in here for £25 for 2 people in the summer, that's for sure. Can you see the building behind me? This is a hire trap. There we go. It's a shame that if they did weddings, you could get married in here and go straight up and into the building, couldn't you? Grounds are lovely, aren't they? It's massive.
Yeah. Yeah, nice, isn't it? Makes a change from being a motorhome, doesn't it?
Yeah.
We're not staying here, are we? We're going home tonight.
No, we only live down the road, so yeah, it was a day visit, and thank you for my surprise. It's well and true. He's done well, hasn't he? I'm well happy. Yes, we found out that it has 30 bedrooms here, all en suite. So there's plenty of room. Like I say, in the summertime it might be a different story, but yeah, go on their website and have a look at the special deals they've got coming up, because there's lots, and the restaurant deals as well. Right, we're back at the car, trying to work some of my dinner off. Oh, thank you. I really enjoyed that. It's only a short one, this. I didn't even know this was happening, so it's caught me quite
We thought we'd share our afternoon with you.
Yeah.
Don't forget, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up.
Yeah. Leave us a comment if you want to know anything more about the hotel. And if you're not subscribed, I don't know why, please hit the subscribe button, because it will help our channel grow a bit more. And I do hope that you all have a lovely Valentine's Day and share the love with each other. I feel very loved. Thank you. But until next time, we'll see you on the next one.